Chapter 18, Applied Mathematics Conic Section. In this chapter, we are going to study about the circles, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Before we study on this topic, let us understand section of a cone. Let L be a fixed vertical line and M is another line intersecting L at a fixed point V makes an angle alpha. On rotating line M along the line X, where angle alpha remains a constant, then the surface generated is a double napped right circular hollow cone which is extended in both the direction. Then we say that the fixed point V is called the vertex of the cone, and the fixed vertical line L along which the line M is rotating is called the axis of a cone, and the rotating line M is called the generator of a cone. This vertex V divides a cone in two parts. Say upper part is called the upper nap part and the lower part is called lower nap. Intersection of a plane with a cone is called a conic section. When a plane intersects a cone, it's called a conic section, and it in two cases arises. Case 1, when the plane does not pass through the vertex, and case 2, when plane pass through the vertex. Let us consider case 1, when plane does not pass through the vertex. If the plane does not pass through the vertex, say it passes or it cuts the one nap completely and is perpendicular to the axis of the cone. This section so obtained is called the circle. When the plane cuts the one nap and do not perpendicular to the axis, then this section so obtained is called ellipse. When the plane cuts the one nap and parallel to the one side of the cone, then the section so obtained is called parabola. When plane cuts across both the axes, then the section so obtained is called hyperbola. Case 2, when plane passes through the vertex. Plane intersects the cone in a point. Plane intersects the cone in a line. The degenerated case is called a parabola. Plane intersects a cone in a pair of straight lines passing through the vertex, and this degenerated case is called hyperbola. Understanding the concept of circle, ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. In next video, we will study all the topics in details.